What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the LiveADHD channel. I don't even know if you can see my face, but we are headed to
Battle Creek, Redding, California.
Dixon. What are the stoke levels looking like today?
Stoke is high.
Stoke is really high. Levi's napping over here. I don't think he's really too stoked about this. But,
It's 5 a.m.
I'm ready. I got my hard-boiled eggs. I got my paddle, my kayak. I'm ready to go. How many combat rolls, Levi?
And for me, 0. For you, 1 at least.
Okay. We'll be keeping you guys updated along the way, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Getting ready to go kayaking. Got my hard-boiled eggs boiling. Hopefully Levi gets here. Got my toast. I got my other toast that I'll be toasting to myself. It's times like these that make you wonder, you know, why? What am I doing right now? I could be sleeping in with my wife, but I'm up at 5 a.m. eating leftover food, drinking apple juice. And going kayaking 3 hours away. It's gonna be a good day. We got the Rocky Mountains to our left. Just kidding, I have no idea what those are. What are those, Dixon?
Not the Rocky Mountains. It's just a range of mountains.
Just a range of mountains.
Not even the Sierra. No, we're north of the Sierras. No, it's just a range of mountains.
Shasta's around here somewhere. We're about 7 minutes from launch. Dixon is currently hiding his bike over there in the trees so that we can do a shuttle back. Levi, how are you feeling right now? We're at the takeout right now. We're gonna start the shuttle.
It's really cold right now, but it won't warm up, but I think I'm gonna be good.
I don't know if I'm gonna be good, honestly.
Gonna be on the right. There's Lawson all the way over there. There's the river down there.
Here at the river finally. Woo! Battle Creek. Here we got put in to start off the day. Oh, there's a blue herring down there, but this is gonna be a crazy heck of a creeker run. Gnarly, bro. Alrighty, we're about 6 or 7 minutes from launching or so. So just getting the final touches up and we'll be good to go. Dear God. There you go, there you go. Come on, Levi, use those fingers. Ah. I didn't check for spiders either. Dude, that was easy. And we're off. Well, Levi's still struggling with his freaking skirt, but we're almost off. First rapid of the day. First rapid of the day. Let's go, boys. I'm not awake yet. Oh, f me, bro. Just. Oh. Woo! Second rapid of the day. I'm waiting for Dixon's line right here. I don't want to. Oh, f me. Woo! Dixon's saying Eddie on the right. So, Eddie out on the right. I'll watch you guys surf. I'm not surfing.
Levi, I think that wave will surf if you want it.
Oh, Levi tried to surf but missed it completely. Dixon, you going for it? Oh, that is a rock. Woo! Levi taking the unpreferred path, as usual. This looks like it's going to be a little bit interesting. Little right-hand turn, that's a rock. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Where's Levi? Yep. Something fun right here is coming up. Oh, I don't like that Dixon is scouting it. Oh. Well. I want to go far right of that. Oh my days! Oh, oh my. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Motherfucker! Mother! Oh my! Oh my! What are you thinking? Levi right or left?
Right, that's pretty brushy.
Okay, apparently this is the best line, even though this looks chopped, bro. Oh gosh.
You definitely want to go left or right of that big door. Go right of the big door.
Right of the door. Okay, yeah. Bounce around. Yeah, okay. What was that, bro? Little water. Oh, f me. Okay. We're just getting stuck in the blackberry bushes. Dixon's getting out right now to take a look at this rapid right here. Can't see over the top of it. It just looks gnarly though. Like that is just a drop, but there might be, you know, a strainer or something right below there. Something that we don't want to get caught in. Caught in. Ooh! Okay, Dixon said he didn't like the looks of this right over here. So we're actually gonna go back upstream to see if we can perhaps avoid it. Maybe we can sneak through. Okay, yeah, there's nothing there. We thought there'd be a channel right here. There's no channel right there. First and hopefully only portage of the day right here. It was just too nasty. We were probably supposed to go on the right side line. We went left, and it's just like a class 4/5 pour over straight into some rocks that we could get stuck on. Just not worth it. So we're gonna check out the right side right here. Should be better. We'll be able to see we'll be able to get a better look of what we were trying to go over, but we're gonna portage. Successful portage. I'm ready. Clean portage. This is what we were going. Whoa! This is what we were going around right there. That just looks. Nah, yeah, that's nasty. Disgusting! Ah. Beautiful, like lava rock right here on this cool little shelf. There's still a bunch of like water coming straight out of the mountain, as you can see. We're like close by Mount whatever I said earlier, which was like the most recent active volcano before Mount St. Helens erupted. This volcano erupted in 1912. Rest in peace, Titanic. And yeah, so there's just a lot of remnants of the lava rock and all that crap around here. It's pretty cool. Just waiting for Levi and Dixon. There's a little, perhaps class 2, maybe 3 right up here. Looks fun. It's a beautiful day. Oh my. I was trying to go right, but I was turning on the GoPro. Oh my gosh. I was trying to film this cool rock shelf right here. Okay, I can't do that anymore. That's bad. Something just popped out of my mouth too. Like a piece of corn. I don't know what that was. Nick right there, he's like, I'm scared, I do not that too. Okay, Dixon, tell me something about this.
Over here, on the right-hand side, we have the southern half of our river, the South Fork of the Battle Creek that we've been running on. And over here on the left side, we have North Fork. We don't know what's on the North Fork, we just know we're about to get more wet.
Oh yeah. So these rivers are converging, we'll get double the CFS.
Yeah.
So bigger waves, less rocks probably. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's go. Something's coming up. You go, Levi, you go. Woo! Oh yeah. We don't know what's coming up, but it looks really big. So we're gonna maybe scout. Going right behind him. Oh my, that looks huge. We got Boulder Creek coming into our right. Wow, that is beautiful. Crazy fun. You can see the other creek coming in on our left. That just means we have more water. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We've got some sort of... What's up?
Creek coming in?
Did you see those waterfall drops?
Waterfall?
That was so cool.
Beautiful.
I don't think I got on camera, but this is super cool. What's this? What is this again?
So they're thinking this is an old bridge or an old dam of some sort.
Really old. Pretty sick. Okay, so this looks disgusting. And Levi is just going. Okay, let's go, I guess. Not bad, not bad. That's a big wave. That's a drop. Okay. Little another. Fuck me. Fuck me. Easy peasy. Looks like we're stopping to surf here real quick. Let's see something, Levi. Oh yeah. These stay in that wave. Good boy. Keep going. Okay, okay, okay. Woo! Dixon's turn. Very impressive. No, I'm good. I'm just going for it. This is a terrible idea. Woo-hoo! Come on, Levi! Oh, oh. And down. Come on, come on. Yeah, I got that on film.
Nice sprint. You too.
This is family friendly. Mother. Okay, I'm good, I'm good.
Get over the shore. Let's go over the shore. We're still trying to get to the center. You swim. Don't worry about the boat. You got the boat? Okay. Alright, cool. You guys, you put yourself upstream and get out the river up here.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at kayaking. And my lack of skill caused me to have to eject. And I'm out of breath. And Sophia's probably still sleeping right now. And I could have been sleeping with her. But I'm doing this shit. Okay. Little hiccup there. I'm just trying to catch my breath. Got a nice blister now. I don't even know what happened, but obviously I wasn't able to roll up. What? Oh my gosh, dude. Well, now my confidence is down. I need to stop looking down at the fucking GoPro. I'm such a Jew. Woo! This looks fun right here. Nothing crazy. Playing it safe because I'm terrified right now of falling, dying, drowning. Is that a better angle? Jackson told me to put the GoPro more up. Put it more up. Let's go. Holy bro. Almost flipped like 4 times. Not cut out for this shit. That's what this is. Just kidding. I'm having fun. So we're thinking this might be the class 4, the hardest rapid of the day. Can't tell though from here, so we're gonna get out and scout. Make sure you get this, Corbin. Okay, so life hack: when your hands are cold, just kind of yeah. Oh yeah, that's warm. Yeah. I don't know if you can even see that, but I just peed on my right hand. And I'm gonna go shake Levi's right hand. I'm gonna go like dap him up or something. I don't know where they went, but we're like scouting out a rapid right now. Got my nice and toasty hand. I need to dap up Levi. Where is he? You know what? Walking down this little creek, I think I might just take this line, honestly. Because I'm seeing the class 4 part, and that looks, no, oh gosh, hold on a second.
Levi says on that far left side, the little clover is clean. So there's a line far left, it seems like.
Okay.
And then in here, another 100 yards or so, Wet State says, Darren said he ran middle, but looks like
Left side?
goes, yeah.
Yeah. And that's just class 3, maybe 2. Not that bad.
If you take the far left side for sure, it's
Yeah.
clean. Maybe the middle is too, I don't know. And then again around the left side of that next double of rock, 3 little peaks.
Yep.
The left side looks clean, but again, who can tell from here?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Dab me up, Levi. Right hand, dab me up. Yeah. Levi's gonna watch that later and be like, what the frick, Asher, what the hell? And I'm just gonna giggle. This is the sneak line I'm gonna take. It looks terrible, but It looks a heck of a lot better than, oh my gosh, yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm doing this. I'll be able to sneak in here, scoot my way down this stupid ass rapid, avoid the sieve, avoid all of that. But right now I have a song replaying in my head. I have some Owl City, just like kind of cycling. It's just like the same verse over and over. And with my past experiences with whitewater, every time that happens, something bad happens. I already flipped, but I just don't like it when I get really confident and I'm having fun and then I just start singing the same song in my head. I really hope I don't miss this, because if I miss that, I'm doing that, and I don't want to do that. Alrighty, we've made the boring yet probably wise decision to portage. So we don't want to do this. Levi, I was talking, so shut up. And so we're just gonna portage it. It looks too difficult. There's a little sneak line that we could do, but we're just gonna walk our boats over to it instead of. Okay. Yep, this is the life right here. So delighted. So delighted. Yep. Your mom, your sister, your dad, your dog was home when you're left. You're right. And now they're here when you're left. You're right. I left my home. I left my home. Join the army. Join the army. I left my home. I left my home. Join the army. That was for you, Levi. What's up? Okay. Look at this goober up here. He's planning on launching from right there. Camera doesn't do it justice. It never does. But hold on. He's being really slow. Oh my gosh. Like a gazelle. Here we go. I'm just gonna keep filming. Don't like that at all. Ow. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. I hate this. He's going left? No, he's going right. I left home to join the army. Crap, now that song's playing in my head and now I'm gonna mess up. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, right line, right line. Nope, no. Okay. Check this out, Levi! Woo! Overcorrection. I left my home to join the army. Your dad, your boyfriend, your mom was home when you left. Yeah. And you used to suck dick? Yeah, you're right. Pretty cool spot for lunch, if I do say so myself. Got this huge natural ledge that we're just gonna sit right on. Water coming out of it right there. Little class 2 rapid at the top. Beautiful. So we had prime rib last night.
Oh, no.
So Levi cooked up some prime rib bacon sandwiches. This is gonna be the best sandwich I've ever had, I think.
That's awesome.
Good, Levi?
Yeah, Chef freaking Levi's the best. Oh my gosh, that's good.
Shout out my bobber dog. Good lunch. Heading back to the boats now. Hopefully they're still there. But we got this class 2/3 right here. And then the book we're reading says we got some class 2s and 1s minus, and then it'll be flat water, just some like current all the way to the takeout, and that'll be it. That'll be the day. So I'll keep you guys updated, updated. Keep it on the low, but not. Keep it on the up. Little moth guy right here. Bye-bye. What you doing, Nixon? Little pee break. There we go. Beautiful. I have to get out my finger, stop bleeding, but I need my hands to stop being so warm because I can feel stuff now. I need to put it in the water, make it cold. Good rain, good rain. Oh! Oh! That's a rock! Woo! Strained my hand right there, oh my gosh. Yeah. Coming around the mountain. Yep, so starting to taper off now. There's not gonna be a whole lot more rapids. It's just gonna be chill. Hopefully we see some sunlight, but I mean, let's just see how it goes. It's beautiful outside. We got a beautiful river we're at. So cool. Right or left? 2.6 or 2.7? Oh fuck. Rock. Harm. Harm. Oh, that is sweet. That is completely natural too. Look at this. I hope you can see that on the camera. Look how flat that is. It's flatter than Levi's ass. Maybe I should say Corbin's ass. Wow. And the creek coming in, it's just mwah. Oh. Move that, move it. Yeah, move that. Come on, move it. Ah. super cool. There's like these vines coming down and these ferns just like coming right out of the side of the mountain. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Let me go around. Little surf wave? Get that, Levi. Oh, that's a boofer right there. Oh yeah. Ferns up there. That's so cool. Not what I expected at all either.
Yeah. A year ago, I did a little section called Goodwin Canyon on the Stanislaus. Same elevation. It does a similar thing. It just kind of drops into this little gorge. It was really fun. We were in Rats.
Okay.
It was, it's like full-on class 4.
Oh, wow.
There was a commercial trip there. We did 2 laps. So it's a really short one, 4 miles. And I know some guys who it's like their backyard rink.
Oh, wow.
They know a guy who I'd met, and that's how I ended up there. But there was a commercial trip, the second one, and they literally lost the raft underwater. Like it was pinned underwater at the top of this raft. Like, first of all, how did you ever get up there?
Wow.
Like, why would you ever be on that side of the river? And then second of all, how do you lose the entire raft?
Underwater? Raft guide stories, man. I'll go over this weed. Woo! That was fun. Yeah, she says what? I said, yeah, she says what? I said, we're going to the drive-thru. Get out of here, Jew. Move that, move that, move that. Little class 1, maybe 2 rapid coming up right here. Oh, let's take this little chute right here. There in the distance. Look at that. I don't know if you can still see it. Hopefully you can. That's pretty sweet. Fun little rapid, all the water's channeling to one little spot. Shit, full. Oh, I did. Big wave. Ooh, wakes me up every time. The river keeps catching me with my pants down, bro. I don't see that there's a big rapid coming up, and then I got to turn on the GoPro, and then I'm all out of whack. That's what happened when I slipped. Hopefully I got that on camera when I flipped, but we'll see. This is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can use. Take me by the hand as we do. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful waterfall right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Most interesting thing that's happened in a minute, this little rapid right here. Not even a rapid, I guess. Made it to take out. Now we have the fun part of dragging our boats up. Not even gonna be able to get this thing off, I don't think.
Look at this dude right here still in his pajamas. Not a bad day on the river.
So we kayaked about 11 or 12 miles. Took us, it's 2:36 right now. We started at about 10 or 10:30, so do the math. 1, 11, 12, 1, 2. That was only 4.5 hours, 5 hours. We'll be chilling here for a fat minute. Dog's out, sun's out, balls are out for Levi. It's been about an hour. Dixon's not back yet, but that's expected. Levi has service over here, so I'm gonna go over there and see if we can play Clash Royale, and I'll just clap Levi's cheeks as per usual.
We're almost at like 2 hours waiting for Dixon, and Asher's out cold.
And with that,
Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior.
Dixon is back. Me and Levi were low-key freezing out here. It's all good though.
Oh my gosh, thank God.
That brings us to the end of the trip. Thank you for coming along with me and Levi and Dixon. I would like to thank my mom.
It is starting to get so damn cold.
I was like, you guys are taking up